Hi everyone, I hope you are doing well. So today we are going to be making mince pies. So the ingredients are mince meat, caster sugar, organic flour, which is plain, it's not self-raising. We don't want it to rise because it's mince pies, and also we got some butter. We're gonna put the flour in first, and we need 375 grams of plain flour. So what's next? We've done our best I can with that. So we need 125 grams of sugar. You can use a spoon, but I'm going to do this. Mix it in. You can use your hands as well. Just make sure that we've got our egg, but we think it's a medium and not a large. Here we go. Alright, let's see. Let's sign up for this. So it is forming, but what I'm going to do is that I'm going to use my hands now. So the tip that I would give you is that if you don't want your hands to be kind of really sticky, it's just to lighten your hands with some flour. Tip would be to take your wedding ring off. So what I would do now is just make sure that you pat it down and stuff. Hey there folks, so I've done pastry has been in the fridge for around about 10 to 20 minutes. I think it's more 20 because I had some lunch. I did find some clean fill, so that's good. So it's good. There we have that bit. I'm going to fill them into me. I'm just going to put a little bit. soon see. So don't know what I'm going to do with this. Hi everyone, so here's the mince pies already done now. I put some sugar on, so here we have. They've just come out of the oven. So thank you for watching today, Vlogmas number 7 or 8, and we'll see you tomorrow. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. See you later. Bye.